All right, we caught up to it. I just did my crazy video, but we came out to look at the sky. It's huge cloud mats. Look at this. Huge cloud mats. All different cloud mats. There's over here. I was crazy on the way in. Let's focus in here. Wow. We got lots of this up top here too. Look at that. There's a star up there too, up top, see it? Decoration star. Alright, let's catch this here. That's just a crazy shot. Look at that. I didn't think there would be any sun coming out. It started to squeeze earlier, so I figured I'd rush out and see if I can get a shot. And there it is. Somebody coming up. We'll get out of their way. Wow. Okay, that's it. There's the shot. All right, later, Jimmy the Jet Trail Private out. Yeah. All right.